listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to UppTalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say UppTalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
I'm going to first give the requirement, then I will explain. Let's add some rand numbers because I hope that we will get a chance to create new calculations, something like the 7 plus 17, 5, 9, 20, 50, 49.80. Now assume this is the requirement for deduction, union field deduction. If any is a location data, it's a call center data, and the vendor deduction should stop and how much the employee needs to be contributed, it should deduct from the employee's paycheck. If any employee working in Atlanta and the employee is part of call center 34000 and the employee completes 31 days at least, then employee has to pay $16, which means system automatically worked at payroll automatically should deduct the 16 from the employee's paycheck. Similarly, if any employee working in Chicago call center 32,000 facilities and if the employee completed 31 days after hire, then employee should pay $17.50. Similarly, for New York 20 per Boston of $49.80. Remember, automatically the values must be deducted. Automatically. The values must be deducted if the employee is part of either of these locations and the amount should be deducted. If you have an employee from Dallas, then no amount should be deducted because that is not our criteria. All three of the first columns have to be met: the location, the call center, and they have to have worked 31 days. Then it will deduct. And where is it going to be putting that value through input? Is it going to route it? You can do through payroll input. Definitely. That's a straightforward, but we are going to create calculations. Automatically amount should be deducted. We are not going with payroll input for this requirement. The main thing is custom calculations. My request, this is a requirement. Tomorrow we are going to work. And on the book page number 44-45. The book which you received. Yes, thanks. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@uptalk.com.